All right, so setting the base up, what we've done is we've put the frame on the ground where we want it. And there's 4 legs that need to go in, and they need to go in 2 at a time. And they are numbered. So there's numbers on the legs, and there's numbers in the holes that they're gonna go into. So right now Jake's holding 4, and I'm gonna grab 3. And we're gonna start with the big end. Scott's gonna just lift it up all the way. Yep, perfect. And then Jake and I are kind of simultaneously gonna stick our legs into our holes. And this like flat part is gonna be up against the frame here. So that one's towards me, towards the outside. And I'm gonna wiggle that in. All right, and then once we're both flush in, we can just go down. Perfect. All right, and then we're gonna go to the other side, grab the other 2 legs. All right, Jake just went ahead and lifted up the small end, and then Scott and I are gonna do the same thing. Put our legs in. Once we're both in, then we can go down. And I usually kind of give it a little wiggle just to make sure all the legs are flush to the frame. So if we need to move the base, and this is if the notes are on or not, we want to make sure we're moving it by the legs. You don't want to pull the frame because then it's going to like move the legs in a weird way. So this is a 3-person job. 1 person is on the small end grabbing the 2 small legs, or we could even have 2 people and make it a 4-person job. And then Scott and I are going to be on the big side, and we're each grabbing a leg. So if we need to move the instrument, let's move it towards the wall. We're all grabbing by the legs and lifting that way, and then putting it down at the same time, rather than grabbing by the frame. Because if we grab by the frame, the legs are going to fall out. And if we drag by the frame, then the legs are going to have a lot of strain on them. So we're always moving the base by the legs. All right, so the next step of the base, we've got the legs into the frame, and we already put the bench here, and we just kind of center the bench between the 2 legs. It fits like pretty much perfectly between those 2 legs, and it doesn't need to go underneath the base at all. So I'm just pretty much like right up against the legs here. All right, so 2-person job on the small resonators, 1 person up on the bench, and then a tall person is gonna lift them, and I'm gonna grab them from this side, and we're just together gonna guide them in. We have a peg and hole system on the right side here. And then this side just sits right onto this metal bar here in the middle. And then we're gonna do the same exact thing with the big ones. It doesn't matter which one you start with. And the big ones are heavy, so it could be a 2-person on the ground job. So what Jake's gonna do is he's gonna put them, like lay them onto the frame. Yes, keep going. And that allows me to be able to grab them and help guide them in. So we're just making sure that we have someone grabbing from both sides. And then these, like the small, you wanna come look at this one, Scott? So we have the small resonators on the outside, and then the big resonators are laying on the inside of those. And if you can't get that while you're putting them down, you can put them down first and then re-lift it once it's already into the peg on the other side.